So we had a question on section 2.3, number 51, and we wanted to find the equation of the red line in this figure that goes through the curve y equals x squared plus 1. So we're going to find the equation of the red line. I'm highlighting it now. And it goes through the curve y equals x squared plus 1. And that'll be important, because if we want to find the equation of a line, we need 2 points. And we have 2 points, we just don't know the value of the 2 points. So far we know the x values for the 2 points. So my 2 points would be -1, and the y value is unknown, and then the other point is 2, and again the y value is unknown. But the x values are given. And so that's where the equation will come into play. So y equals x squared plus 1. So if x is -1, then y would be -1 squared plus 1, 1 plus 1, or 2. So my first point is -1, 2. My second point would then be x is 2. So we'll do y equals 2 squared plus 1. 4 plus 1 are 5. So my second point would be 5. So now we have 2 points, and we can find the equation of a line. So let's go ahead and find slope, and then we'll find the equation. So y2 minus y1 would be 5 minus 2, all over x2 minus x1, so that'll be 2 minus -1. So what do we get? We get 3 on top and we get 3 on bottom, so my slope is just 1. And then you can use point slope or slope intercept, your choice. So slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. I'm going to do the other method. I think it's a little faster, but if you wanted to use this method, you plug in a point. So one of the points was 2, 5. You can plug in either point. I just picked 2, 5. You plug in 5 for y, 1 for m, 2 for x, and then solve for b to find the equation. Otherwise, if you want to use point slope, we know it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I'll just use the 2, 5 point as well. Again, you can use the other point. Either point works. After simplifying, we'll get the same thing. So we'll say y minus 5, because that's my y1, equals m, which is 1, times x minus x1, or 2. So y minus 5 equals x minus 2, add 5, y equals x plus 3. And if you were to do the first method and solve for b, you should have gotten 3 for b. So hopefully this helps.